everyone, I'm in St. Augustine Beach and I got this new camera yesterday. It's a Canon Z180u and I just got it. It's my first time loading it, so figured pick a good location. Again, St. Augustine Beach. So we'll see how it works. I got my film right here. Kodak's one of my favorites. And show you guys how to load film. Because everyone has their iPhones. Everyone uses their phones and things like that, or digital, but let's go vintage and let's use film. Not super vintage, because it actually this camera came out in, I believe, 2004, so it just hit vintage. Having some troubles. There we go. Alright, here's the inside. See how this works. Well, I hope I put it in the right way. There we go. The slide. So this is different to me. Alright, let's see what happens. It's reading it, I guess. Oh, I guess it's ready. Let's go take some pictures and find out. All right, we got our first shot. Oh, there's my phone. Oh.